Do I look like a science fair?
Relax, just running a quick scan.
Do you mind? Next time I'm adding a deadbolt.
Just finishing up. Target acquired. Mature egg found. Procedure is cleared to move forward.
Hold on. What are you?
Time for a little nap.
Huh? Where am I? Wait, what is that? I feel different. Did something just get added inside me?
After a few moments.
Howdy there. Wow, impressive progress. Looking good.
Wait, are you trying to take something from me?
Your family has a history of genetic disease, so we need to run early tests. Early testing helps ensure you aren't born with preventable genetic conditions.
Later.
Back already? This better be good.
Good news, I come bearing gifts.